Current multimodal systems struggle to imitate humans' abilities to easily solve multimodal tasks in context, or in other words, with only a few demonstrations or simple instructions. This is where this project EMU comes to rescue. The main objective of this work include demonstrating that large multimodal models can enhance their task-agnostic in-context learning capabilities through effective scaling up. In their paper, which is actually a very nice read, they have explained it in great detail. EMU2 is a 37 billion generative multimodal model trained on a large-scale multimodal sequences with a unified autoregressive objective. EMU2 consists of a visual encoder-decoder and a multimodal transformer. Images are tokenized with visual encoder to a continuous embedding space interleaved with text tokens for autoregressive modeling. If you go to their paper, and I'll drop the link in video's description, they have given a lot of examples there too. EMU2 is first pre-trained only on captioning task with both image text and video text paired dataset. EMU2's visual decoder is initialized from STXL base and can be considered a visual detokenizer through a diffusion model. And then VAE is kept frozen while the weights of a diffusion UNet are updated. EMU chat is derived from EMU by fine-tuning the model with conversational data, and EMU gen is fine-tuned with complex compositional generation tasks. They have also discussed the results of their work in this paper, which you can read through, but all in all, I would say that amazing results so far. Now if you look at the results, it indicates that EMU2 achieves state-of-the-art few-shot performance on multiple visual question answering or VQA dataset and demonstrate a performance improvement with an increase in the number of examples in context. EMU2 has also further achieved new benchmarks on challenging tasks such as question answering for large multimodal models and open-ended subject-driven generation. As I mentioned, I'll drop the link in the video's description. Also, I would highly suggest you go to their GitHub repo for any updated information. And really hats off to all of these researchers who have done a wonderful work. That's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll be happy to answer. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.